Okay guys, good morning. Laura here from Hedgehog's Homestead. Sorry about that noise in the background, but that is the sound of them fixing the problems on our shop. They're out here and they went straight to work. So let's show you what they're doing. See where all of these were going to fail right here, and so all of them were going to a great thing to do with your weeds, give them to your chickens and they will turn them into eggs, or put them in your compost tea.
1 mile in fog patches and showers early Friday, but improving to greater than 6 miles on Friday morning.
Stars shining bright above you. Night breezes seem to whisper that you. Sycamore tree, dream a little dreamer.
Sensational double thrill stock car spectacular at 7:30 at noon.
Done. So let's go walk around the back and I'll show you what it looks like. So this is how this side looks, and this side was always this way. Didn't have the clear plastic on it. And so this is how it looks, the change. I don't know why that corner is so weird now. So that's the difference. So no more broken plastic up there. Now we don't have to worry about when a storm comes, which it will be tested tomorrow. So that's why we're having all this wind. So you can see the side. This is the other side of that opposite side. The difference between this side is the white, and I don't think that's going to look so bad, just because of the very fact that it almost looks like it was supposed to be that way. So just that white line up on top there. So that's the only difference on that. Then I will show you from the front. Oh, look at this grass. Isn't this glorious? Oh, we're getting seed heads. Yay. It's almost like a different kind of grass. So there's the front there. And I'll put up pictures, guys, of what it looked like before. So that used to, right above the porch overhang, used to be all that clear plastic as well. And so that's what it looks like now. It is all in, and I'm gonna go see how it looks from the inside. So this is all the clear plastic that was on the outside, and that's hopefully what we will be using for a greenhouse. So we're gonna have to figure something out. See that plastic around there? We're gonna have to figure something out so it doesn't do the same thing on the greenhouse. But that is a nice bit of plastic there for our greenhouse. So yeah. So let's go look inside what it looks like. Definitely is not as bright, and now we need to buy some more insulation. So you can tell where there's the missing insulation all around the top is where the windows were, all along there. So that side didn't have it. This side, all the way around, was that plastic window. And so, it is a lot more echoey in here. Can you guys hear that? All right, you guys, so that's what it looks like inside, all done and finished. So excited, so happy to have it done, and now we don't have to worry about the rains that are supposed to come in tomorrow. And on, was it tomorrow and Thursday or something like that? So God bless you guys, and we'll see you next time here on Hedgehog's Homestead. Bye.